seen quite a big team of members of parliament condoning this place because they might be taken 10-15 more police stations before tomorrow morning, and they might be taken to courts even in Garissa or Wajir or anywhere. But that is a proper abuse of the criminal justice system, and as lawyers we will defend that, and we will also be putting the courts in alert that let the judiciary not be used to be abused, so that people who are alleged to have been arrested at Wabera Street in Nairobi will be brought to Kiambu Court. Territorial jurisdiction of a criminal offense is on where the offense happened, and that is why we are ready as defense team. Quite a number of members of parliament are also here. They can say their point, but we are ready to defend the honorable. Remember, one of the person arrested is a former serious judge, a judge of the High Court. So we are looking for that. Probably
the last one. Two of those arrested are leaders in both houses of parliament. Do you think this is an attempt to instill fear in other members of parliament?
It is an attack on the independence of parliament. Remember, there has been an onslaught, a massive onslaught to make parliament succumb to the whims of the executive. Going for two leaders, one the leader in Senate and another one the leader in the National Assembly, is a clear manifestation to instill fear to other members of parliament that if you make your noise, you'll face the same issue. But as lawyers, we will defend the law, we will defend the constitution, because it is not provided for what is happening now, and that is why we are standing firm that we have instructions to challenge any form of holding of the members of parliament, because it is an illegal act, it is uncalled for, it is causing a lot of tension in the country, and we urge the judiciary to be independent so that it does not open up a floodgate of such arrests.
But it is true. It is true that they believe and they think that if they arrest two of our leaders, that it's going to scatter the whole process. But they are mistaken, because each person is out here because of what they experience in their individual houses. If it's hunger, each person experiences hunger in their houses. If it's high school fees, if it's a high, difficult economic time, each person experiences that, and nobody has been mobilized to come out. Each person has come out because of the experience that they have in this country at the moment. So whether they take them or not, whether they tear gas us or not, we are out here because of what we feel and what our people also feel in this country at this moment.
Let me just add, the intention actually to paralyze not only what is going on, but parliament is there. We were more than 30 members of parliament, and when they threw tear gas, nothing was happening. Then they pick these two out of all the 30, and then now they keep moving them to DCI, to Kiambu. There was absolutely nothing these two people did. So our interpretation, there's an attempt, apart from trying to thwart what is going to happen anyway, to actually paralyze parliament. And the police should not allow themselves to be used to actually stop the activities and the functions of other arms of government.
Notice that this was a peaceful demonstration. Yes. This was a very peaceful demonstration. It is the system that is actually bringing chaos. They are the ones throwing tear gas, they are chasing us all over, they are arresting members of parliament, they are the ones provoking wananchi. So they take the responsibility.
Na kwanza wacha niseme, na si viongozi peke yake ambao wameshikwa, hata wale wazalendo wa Kenya, the patriotic Kenyans ambao wamejitokeza kwa sababu katiba imewapatia ruhusa ya kupicket, ya kudemonstrate na kutoa voice yao kwa yale mambo, kwa hali ya maisha vile ambayo imekuwa ngumu. Hata mimi, my driver has been arrested na ameshikwa bure tu. Walienda kwa gari kwa sababu waliona ni gari ya mheshimiwa Mishi na wakamuaresti bure, na vijana wengine wetu wengi wamewashika. Wote waachiliwe kwa sababu hawana makosa, hawakuwa amdi, hawakuwa na silaha yoyote, hawakutukana mtu yoyote, ni just demonstration. Kwa nini kama ina serikali ya Kenya Kwanza iko right na inafanya kila kitu sawa, kwa nini wasituache tufanye demonstration yetu? Today South Africa they are demonstrating na wako very peaceful. Hakuna mtu ameshikwa, hakuna mtu amekuwa arrested. Kwa hivyo give us our right as Kenyan to picket, to demonstrate, to raise our voice on behalf of the Kenyans.
Sisi mimi nashangaa sana kwa sababu asubuhi tulikuwa tunatembea kwenda kunywa chai na tulikuwa watu 5 na askari ambao walikuwa